This is Justin Tang's Homework 6 Question 2 video. Here I am using the data generation script to process the image files from the Raspberry Pi camera, which are stored in a data photos folder in my PyCharm projects folder. Also included in this folder is the color picker script, which I invoke in the PyCharm terminal in order to adjust threshold values and find the appropriate HSV values for my data. The HSV values are then put into the data generation script shown here. Here are the row and RPC values, which are unique to my LiDAR mount, the separation distance, and also an angle offset constant, which is later used to adjust the accelerometer's IMU measurements. Here I am using the glob function in order to draw the files from this folder. And here we are specifying a text file for the script to open and write the XYZ values, which are calculated later. Here is a for loop which runs through each of the files in that folder and extracts the angle using the file name. It also applies the angle offset constant in this line of code here. Here we perform some of the masking. And finally a for loop to process the pixels and calculate the X, Y, and Z values with respect to range. And these final lines are used to plot a 3D point cloud. Here is my MATLAB code. I am using MATLAB also to plot a 3D point cloud. As you can see, we are reading in the text file from the PyCharm, from the data generation script. Also, we are using tools from the computer vision MATLAB toolbox, and we have set our axes to equal. As you can see from my 3D point clouds, that the scan went pretty well. As a reminder, the household item was 2 paper towel rolls sitting on top of each other and a white water bottle laying across the top. They were sitting on a dresser in front of a wall. As you can see, the paper towels were rendered pretty well. We can see the curved surfaces and we can clearly see 2 paper towel rolls. Notice that the top surface of the rolls are not rendered because they are flat and the angle of the laser will not hit these surfaces. Or actually, the camera will not pick up hitting these surfaces. Also, you can see that the water bottle on top has been rendered. This point here probably represents the dresser, one point of the dresser we captured. Here is some noise, which is inherent in just about any system. And behind the paper towel, you can clearly see the wall, as well as the shadow casted by the paper towel roll.